Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate text in rows or columns. So let's say I have these headers: product, quantity, defects, status, progress. So let's say if we want to rotate them and make changes how they look, so all you can do is click the row, and then here you have a text rotation option. You can choose like in which way you want to rotate, this way or this way or this way. So it's all depends on you, like what is the requirement you have. So usually this looks good. So by default we have this option, but if you want to like make this look like this, you can do it. So it looks like different. So that's how you can rotate your text in your Google Sheets. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.